Hello guys, today I'm gonna post a video of me having a Obi squishy. Yes. Guys, now if you guys don't know where to find us, Big Boy Crockery. There by Big Boy Crockery. Yes. See, guys, you get Big Boy Crockery. Everyone love Big Boy Crockery squishies. And there's Obies in it. See, if you squeeze it. Guys, het die bus. Look here. It's a hole. Fuck. Guys, the hole. Look here, the Obies did fall out, guys. Yuri. Let's see this though. No, you're gonna be the first one to cry. Yo. What? Wanna find out who's the hole? There's it, guys.
Yay!
Sneaking out. Yari. This is mangi. So guys, look at this.
Man, ganito lang ba yung bracket? Move! Kat sa tapyo, kat!
You see? OBC. So guys, I will see you in another one. In that other one, I'm gonna buy me a dumpling from Big Boy
Don't do that.
Crockery.
Don't do that!
And once I buy that, I'm gonna put nail polish. You guys know that trend of where you put nail polish on a squishy, then you squish it, then it will pop. So I will see you again, guys. Bye.